Hello. Good afternoon all. Audio video clear. Welcome all of you. So today we are discussing June 2024 CSIR-NET General Aptitude questions from the Chemical Science set. And this class is not only for chemical science students. This class is for all science streams because whichever science stream aptitude section is common itself. So everyone, this will be a study material for your upcoming NET exam also. So please invite all of your friends, whether it is life science, mathematical science, physical science, chemical science or earth science. सारा streams के लिए ये lecture common है. So invite करिए, share it among your WhatsApp group, Telegram groups or your status, or personally send it to your friends who want to join this lecture. We will wait for 1 minute. By that time I will start explaining about the full length courses also. Those of you want to get full length training from me, the complete course of CSIR-NET General Aptitude we have started the last day. You can join now also because just one topic is completed, coding decoding. तो बाकी वो मिस्ड लेक्चर का रिकॉर्डिंग देख सकता है और उसके बाद बाकी लेक्चर्स लाइव अटेंड कर सकता है. And for those people who don't know me, my name is Christy Varghese. I am the author of the bestseller book CSIR-NET General Aptitude and New Outlook, which is the current bestseller book for CSIR-NET Part A section. So to get this book, you can search it in Amazon and Flipkart. It is available there to buy it, or check the description of the video to get the direct link. These are the other books I have written for General Aptitude and Speed Maths, and this is the details of the complete course we are starting for the CSIR-NET General Aptitude section. It's a live course. Live class timing is 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. and more details of the course I will just summarize it very fast. After that we will start today's lecture. ये course सारा streams के लिए common है. As I told, aptitude section is common for all students. Whichever science stream you are, this course is also common for you. And this course के साथ you will get 1000 rupee worth free study materials, that is 100 unique flashcards, 60 topic wise class note PDF, 60 practice worksheets. After every class, for you to practice more, we will be providing practice worksheets or bonus content, 10 mock test, full length mock test of aptitude along with the video solutions. We are providing it as bonus content of this course. More details of the course are there in the description of this video also. Course का language English और Hindi mix रहेगा, just like this YouTube live. 66 live lectures, 100 hour video content and class note practice sheets. After every class it will be updated, and demo videos चाहिए तो वो भी available है in our mobile application classes and in our website christyclasses.in. एंड इसमें कंप्लीट थियरी कवर करेगा CSIR-NET जनरल एप्टीट्यूड सेक्शन का. टॉपिक वाइज प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन भी डिस्कस करेगा, एंड दैट आल्सो टिल जून 2024 एग्जाम टॉपिक वाइज प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग. दैट मींस इट्स अ मोस्ट अपडेटेड कोर्स. एंड ये कोर्स में सेपरेट लेक्चर्स होगा शॉर्टकट मेथड्स के बारे में, स्पीड मैथ ट्रिक्स के बारे में, टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स फॉर जनरल एप्टीट्यूड के बारे में. ऑल दीज आर इंक्लूडेड, एंड ये कोर्स टू एन एक्सटेंट विल हेल्प यू फॉर अदर एग्जाम्स लाइक गेट ऑल्सो. गेट के लिए सेपरेट कोर्स भी अवेलेबल है इन अवर मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन, दैट इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम टुमारो ऑनवर्ड्स. Complete course for GATE General Aptitude also. So now telling about CSIR-NET General Aptitude course. Why this course is the best course? ये course में आपका subject knowledge या मतलब mathematical background, whatever it is, there is no problem. From the basics we'll be teaching you. Because many people fear aptitude because they think that math होगा aptitude में. Math कितना होगा, that is what many people have misunderstanding. They think that all questions are mathematical. No, many questions look mathematical, but you can do a logical solution of it. Yeah, for that we have developed 15 unique shortcut methods. Many questions where math is there, you can solve it non-mathematically also. उसके लिए first you have to unlearn and relearn the formula you have learned in school. वो formula को unlearn relearn किया तो you can understand the logic behind the formula and solve the questions faster. Problem solving skills develop करना है, and time management skills also. So that is what we will be focusing in this course. As I told, this is the most updated course covering the latest previous year questions also. December 2012 up to 2024 CSIR-NET exam. We are adding all the questions, I mean all the major questions of these 13 years of question papers. I am teaching for the last 10 years. So from the starting of this new trend of aptitude, I am teaching students, more than 2 lakh aspirants I have trained for CSIR-NET General Aptitude section alone. So that experience, with that I have curated this course. So this is the most evolved version of this course. This course we are running for the last 10 years, but we have updated more and more content based on the feedback of students, based on the concerns of students, based on the, what we can say, school math. Many people have forgotten, or in school they haven't learned math properly. उसके वजह से some questions many people are afraid to try, और aptitude section try करना ही negative mark होगा या नहीं, ऐसा concerns है. So how to avoid that, that is a primary focus of this course. So it's a one-stop solution. You don't have to purchase any other material. In this course itself, everything you needed for aptitude is there. और ये course में speed math tricks भी teach करेगा, so that you can do more questions in less time. And the theory will be taught using our 100 unique flashcards, so that exam के पहले 1 week पहले, if you want, you can just revise the flashcard. You will remember all the theory I taught you from the flashcards alone. And comprehensive and updated study material, and optional, those of you prefer printed study material, there is an option for you to purchase our book that we have written, CSIR-NET General Aptitude, a new outlook. Book ka content, course ka content will go parallelly, so that in case you want extra material for us printed material, wo bhi optional hai, that you can, if you want, you can purchase it separately. So, and you will be part of a dedicated WhatsApp group and Telegram group where you can post your concerns. There will be study groups that you can form there and discuss better. और आपका doubt clearance के लिए we have introduced a raise hand feature where you can ask the doubts through the audio also, chat also. And after every class, your doubts to be cleared, there will be separate time allotted for your doubt clearance. And also 66 lectures में 6 lectures doubt clearing sessions है. हर सेशन 1.5 hour का है. So almost 9 hours of dedicated doubt clearance session है. That also live itself you can ask. And as you are part of our dedicated Telegram group and WhatsApp group for this course, you can discuss among your friends also who are attending the course with you, so that you can get better understanding, and you can teach them also, so that your concepts will be more cleared. If you understood something, you can explain that to your friends also through those exclusive WhatsApp and Telegram groups. So these are the opportunities of doubt clearance, and this is the first batch of this 2024 December exam. इसके बाद भी batch होगा, but this is the batch where you get maximum time to complete the classes in a relaxed fashion. अक्टूबर में भी एक बैच होगा, बट वो बैच अक्टूबर शुरू करके दिसंबर में कंप्लीट करना है. दिसंबर में एग्जाम होने का चांसेस ज़्यादा है, दिसंबर एंड में. तो द टाइम यू हैव फॉर लाइव क्लासेस विल बी लेसर. दैट मीन्स इट विल टेक, आई मीन मोर फ्रीक्वेंट क्लासेस होगा. हियर यू कैन इन ए रिलैक्स्ड वे, हर वीक में 4 क्लासेस ऑन एन एवरेज, 4 क्लासेस, बाकी 3 दिन आपका प्रैक्टिस के लिए स्पेंड कर सकता है. So that way, join this course now. If you are seeing this video in September, join this course alone. The missed lectures of missed live lectures, you can watch as recording also. After every class, the recorded video will be uploaded in the course in 1 or 2 hours itself. And वो unlimited bar access कर सकता है in your subscription period. Till your subscription period, the recording will be available for you. Any number of times you can watch it. So that is a speciality of this course. These are the 60 topics we are discussing. This covers everything you need for general aptitude section. और ये 60 lectures का साथ 6 live doubt clearing sessions भी होगा. That is how 66 lectures. And many people suggested that we want access, or we want to attend the classes in laptop. So we have created a new website also for that, christysclasses.in. So through the website, you can access the class in laptop also, or in your mobile phone also. So your course ka pricing, these are the, for example, 6 months, 4,000 is the pricing. But as a launch offer, we are giving 2,000 rupee discount. And as Teachers Day discount is going on, that is till September 10th today. So if you want to get the minimum pricing for this course, this is the pricing available. Using this coupon code, you can get this. minimum pricing. And also this is the price including everything, live class recording, study material, all together this is the price you have to pay. And this also include the GST and other internet handling charges. So everything included, this will be the least price of this course. So all of you are welcome to be part of this course and let your friends also know about this course. As I told, ये course में conduct कर रहा है last almost 10 years. And these are some of the feedbacks of the last few years of the students who have attended similar courses before. So all of you are welcome to be part of this course. Welcome all of you, and those of you want more free study materials, other free resources we provide, you can see here. Check the description of the video for more information also. And CSIR-NET course का साथ we are starting GATE course also. CSIR-NET course में CSIR-NET का previous year questions discuss करेगा, GATE course में GATE का previous year questions discuss करेगा. That is a major difference. And GATE में as you know verbal aptitude भी है, CSIR में verbal aptitude नहीं है. CSIR course attend किया तो verbal aptitude का class नहीं मिलेगा. So definitely if you are preparing for GATE also, you are welcome to be part of this course also. Till today midnight you will get the Teachers Day discount to join for this course also with the maximum discount. So timing of the GATE course is 8 PM to 9:30 PM. Timing of the CSIR courses 10 AM to 11:30 PM. So if you are preparing for both the courses, if you want continuous support for General Aptitude section of both the courses from our platform, you can join both these courses. But if you have time constraint, you can join one of the course. And if you have money constraint, for joining this course, those people who are joining both the courses, we are giving an extra discount like a combo offer, that also you can use. So for more information, you can contact us at this number 8075116641. So that's it. Demo videos of this course also are available in our mobile app. So those of you haven't downloaded our mobile app, download it from Play Store or check the description of the video to get direct access through that to that app and the website prestigeclasses.in. Okay, so let's start today's session. I hope more people have joined. If anyone haven't invited your friends, please invite them. Let more people be part of this free initiatives. That is what I want to tell to those people who want to access my classes through YouTube. I will plan for more free classes in YouTube if more people are being part of this community. So please let others know about these classes. I too want to conduct more free classes like this, but provided if more people are following, definitely I can do that. So hit the like button, hit the comment section and comment on it, and do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that will support this channel also, and you will get updates in the future whenever a new live class is scheduled. Okay, so that is the introduction. So let us start today's class. Today we are discussing 2024 June exam questions of chemical science. Again telling, this is not only for chemical science students, ये सारा streams के लिए common lecture है. I always tell the best study material to start your preparation is CSIR-NET previous year questions of aptitude section of all subject. Don't download only your subject question paper. सारा subject का question paper आपके लिए practice material जैसा use कर सकता है. So try this question all of you. Probability का question, ये question paper में 2 question आया था. This time probability was the topic from which most of the papers had 1 question or 2 questions from it. So BioInsight is asking, if I study for CSIR-NET Science Aptitude from your YouTube channel alone with PYQ, will it be sufficient? Again, BioInsight YouTube channel content is definitely top notch and definitely you can follow that. What I'm saying is, you can learn with YouTube channel also completely, but YouTube channel maybe you have to spend more hours to get all the content together because it is more assorted classes. Now, few lectures will be of previous year questions, few lectures will be of practice questions, few lectures will be of some important topic ka theory. But definitely if you have enough time to go through all that, definitely through this YouTube channel itself, you can completely prepare for CSIR-NET free of cost itself. But the paid courses, the main difference is, paid course mein there is a proper structure. Assorted nahi hai, a proper structure hai that first day this topic, uska continuation wala topic next day, uska continuation next day, so that full syllabus will be covered. So by sparing almost 90 hours of live classes, you will be able to complete the syllabus with theory discussion, previous year questions, practice questions, etc. In YouTube channel, to find all that, it is not there in a single playlist. It is there in multiple playlists, and also many of them there are repetitions also, because YouTube videos, how I have done is, for the last 4-5 years, not 4-5 years, YouTube channel was started 8 years back, 2016. So from that 8 years onwards, regularly we are updating the content. So some content are repeated again, because for that particular year exam, students need to learn that theory again. So what we can say, finding the content all together, that will take a little extra time. That's a only difference. I mean, difference in the sense that is the only difference with respect to the quality of the video content. But as I told, difference between YouTube video and other paid courses is, in the paid course, you will be having a proper structure where along with the classes, if after every class, your improvement will be monitored. You can ask the class doubts live in the class itself, or after the class you will be getting practice worksheets immediately, so that you can work on it, and next day you can ask your doubts on it, or the next doubt clearing session you can ask the doubt on it. And the motivation will be more for attending a live class compared to a recorded video, because every day at the same time a habit is created. Creating a habit is a big part of learning properly. So that are some advantages for those people who have doubt, or those people who have commented. I have told this. Definitely, those of you cannot join the paid course, YouTube videos in this channel is the second best option, we can say. And third option is the book I have written also. Again, I will not say one is better than other, because some people prefer YouTube videos over a course also, because they don't have like time for attending course properly, or they think that they cannot continue class properly. Some people follow YouTube videos itself, and by that itself they can improve a lot and score very well. Because after every exam, I see a lot of comments in this YouTube channels also. Preparing through this channel, they were able to score very well. So that is why it is up to you which medium you use. But the new course we have started, we have made like a proper environment for you to learn better. The live class, doubt clearing session, the option to ask your doubts immediately in the class, those things are definitely are tools by which you can learn faster and easily. Okay, so essay is telling I'm getting 15 marks in aptitude according to the answer key. I followed your YouTube channel for aptitude. Thank you so much, sir. So happy to hear. Thank you so much, essay. These comments, actually, that is the reason I am continuing YouTube videos. To be frank, the current schedule of mine, not even one YouTube video in a week, current schedule, it is not allowing me, because the problem is I am occupied with parallelly two complete courses, one for GATE, one for CSIR, and the development of that content. Along with that, I am teaching for civil service exam also. So these classes, the last 2-3 months, the schedule was so tight. But still, the comments from students in the YouTube channel, that's a big motivation for me to come back to this channel and give live classes. Yeah, already I have done my part by creating a good study material or reference material as recorded video in this channel. But live classes students prefer more. That is why in between I'm trying to create as many live classes as possible in this channel also. So keep on motivating me also. That is what I will tell you to others also. Those of you who got benefited from this channel, if you are listening to me now, do put a comment how it helped. Like I said it. Thank you so much for that. So Ashwini is saying book is good. I already purchased. Thank you so much, Ashwini. So happy to hear my book readers also are part of this YouTube video. Okay, so let's start this explanation. All of you tried this question. Yeah, I have told a lot of general things now because I had to reply all of your comments and let you know about the new complete course we started also. Okay, your question बहुत ही simple है if you understood the question properly. हाँ, डेटा इंटरप्रिटेशन जैसा एक टेबल भी दिया है, बट बेसिकली एक प्रोबेबिलिटी का क्वेश्चन है ये. व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन? प्रोबेबिलिटी का बेसिक डेफिनेशन पता है तो उतना काफी है. व्हाट डेफिनेशन? रिक्वायर्ड आउटकम बाय टोटल आउटकम और नंबर ऑफ फेवरेबल आउटकम डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल पॉसिबल आउटकम. That is probability of an event. So here what is the event? Following table shows that the number of boys and girls enrolled for 3 subjects. What is the probability? हाँ, ये sentence event को properly understand करना, that is the most important thing. Probability that a randomly chosen student is a girl enrolled for English. 1 second. Just a minute. Let me just check whether that exactly. Because just a minute. Cross check the original. Huh? Okay, same itself. Okay, because a small word, if it is changing also, the answer will be different. Randomly chosen student is a girl enrolled for us for English. मतलब फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल रैंडमली चूजन स्टूडेंट गर्ल होना चाहिए और वो गर्ल इंग्लिश से होना चाहिए. रैंडम गर्ल इंग्लिश से होना चाहिए. दैट मीन्स हाउ मेनी गर्ल्स आर देयर हु Bio Insight, I have already replied you almost 5 minutes. I was replying to you itself. Please check the previous 5 to 10 minutes where I have explained about that in detail. Okay, so girls who enrolled, girls who enrolled in English is 28. Na? Out of total, how many students? Total students, boys kitna hai? 56 plus 30 plus 24. Total kitna? 56 plus 24. 80 plus 30 110 and girls कितना है 32 plus 28 plus 30 32 plus 28 plus 30 कितना हो गया 60 plus 30 90. So total 200 students are there. Total 200 students are there. In that, how many are, so as I told, probability का definition required outcome by total outcome. Total कितना outcomes है? When you randomly choose a person, he or she can be any of these 200 students. Na? So total outcome is 200. Required outcome by total outcome. So what is the required outcome? हमें सिर्फ girls enrolled in English चाहिए. That is just 28. Girls enrolled in science नहीं चाहिए. Girls enrolled in economics भी नहीं चाहिए. So that is why 28 out of 200 is the answer. Super easy. Na? All of you understood this? Please respond. Is it clear or not? A slight change in the question also, the answer will be different. For example, if the question is what is the probability that you are choosing a girl, sorry, from the girls you are choosing a girl who is enrolled in English. From the girls means you only have to take girls as the sample space. Then the answer will change. That answer is option C, I guess. What I am saying is a small change in the question, answer will be different. But for this question, randomly chosen student is a girl enrolled for English means option D, 28 by 200 is the correct answer. So probability ka basic definition, as I told, in our classes we will be using these flashcards. There are 100 of these flashcards by which we will be teaching you the theory so that it will be easy for you to revise this before the exam. In our complete course, this flashcard ebook will be completely free of cost. You will be provided as the online material as part of the subscription. Okay, so one more probability question tha. This question type was repeated actually this year in multiple papers. There are different variations. Life science paper में भी था, mathematical science paper में भी था, chemical science paper में भी था. Physical science paper we will be discussing tomorrow. All papers we are discussing here, but as I told, please don't watch only the video of your subject aptitude. सारा subject का aptitude papers का discussion सुनिए. That will give you more practice. So if you want to use this YouTube channel more for your preparation, that is my suggestion. Topic by topic also, or year by year also you can follow. Year by year, if you are practicing, please go through all questions of all subjects of aptitude section. Try this question. 2 minutes to try. All of you try. Okay, some of you got an answer. Let's see whether it is correct. In a very large population, 30% of the individuals have brown colored eyes. So one event is probability of brown color eyes. 30%, matlab 30 by 100 or 3 by 10 we can say. While all others have black colored eyes. So black colored eyes का probability क्या होगा? Complement probability का idea. Complement probability का idea. Brown color 3 by 10 है तो 1 minus brown color probability will be not brown color probability. Not brown color means black color because all others are black colored is mentioned. मतलब 1 minus 3 by 10 7 by 10 होगा उसका probability. 7 by 10 और 3 by 10 दोनों ऐड किया तो 1 मिल रहा है. If take a random sample of 4 individuals from the population, 4 people को select किया, probability that at least one of them, कम से कम एक person brown colored eyes होने का chance कितना है? Let us list out what all can happen. This kind of question I have explained a lot of examples already. Previous YouTube videos also you can check where I have explained probability concept where this same concept was explained. Instead of brown colored eyes, it can be something else. One time it was asked a probability of a person winning a match is this and losing a match. So what is the probability that at least one match he will win? Same logic itself here. So at least one of them is brown colored eyes means what all are possible with respect to occurrence of brown colored eyes? As there are 4 people, maybe none of them have brown colored eyes. No brown color. Or one of them have brown color eyes, or 2 of them have brown color eyes, 3 of them have brown color eyes, or all 4 of them have brown color eyes. Total 4 people are selected ना, so maximum 4 people तक brown color eyes हो सकता है या occur कर सकता है. All these together total probability is 1. All of you are understanding total probability will be 1. All these together. Sum of all the probability, that is a definition of probability. Sum of probabilities of all event in a sample space is 1. So all these together should be 1 probability only. If so, what you can say? Here, in at least one of them means kam se kam means 1%, 2%, 3%, 4%. All of them are okay. Except none brown color. बाकी सब okay है. बाकी सब हमारा favorable outcome का पार्ट है. बट ये सब सेपरेटली फाइंड करना बहुत टाइम कंज्यूमिंग लगेगा. नहीं है तो यू हैव टू यूज दिस बाइनोमियल प्रोबेबिलिटी आइडिया दैट इज इवन मोर टाइम कंज्यूमिंग. In my opinion, that is not the strategy in these kinds of question. These kinds of question, the strategy is simply complement idea. In life also you can use this strategy. In your life, what you need in your life to understand, you have to avoid what is not needed in your life. That means if you remove from your life what is not needed, you will have clarity what is needed actually. Yeah, why I am saying this philosophy? Because that is what we are applying in this question. क्योंकि हमें सिर्फ ये नहीं चाहिए, बाकी सब चाहिए ना. नो वन हैविंग ब्राउन कलर्ड आइज, ये नहीं चाहिए, बाकी सब हमारा फेवरेबल आउटकम है. तो इसका प्रोबेबिलिटी फाइंड करके टोटल से कम किया तो दैट इज इनफ ना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इन दिस क्लास टू नो द नंबर ऑफ बॉयज, I can find the number of girls and subtract it from total. That is also a complement idea. Or vice versa. Similarly, in this question, no one having brown colored eyes, uska probability kya hai? No one having brown colored eyes means सबको black colored eyes है. सबको means 4 people को. मतलब फर्स्ट पर्सन को ब्लैक कलर्ड आइज होने का चांस क्या है? 7/10. Second person black colored eyes 7/10 itself. Third person 7/10. Fourth person 7/10. So all the 4 of them brown black colored eyes is 7/10 into 7/10 into 7/10 into 7/10. Fundamental principle of counting, multiplication rule. That is why we are multiplying it. I have explained that a lot in previous classes. Those of you want, check it out. This time 2024 June exam, most of the questions or a good majority of the question was directly from the previous discussions we had. Some questions were new, but if you avoid those questions also, you could have got very good mark. So total probability is 1. From the 1, if you subtract this 7/10 into 7/10 into 7/10 into 7/10, 7/10 into 7/10 into 7/10 into 7/10. Yeah, this time virtual calculator was given to all students. So this multiplication is not a big deal. But I will suggest you, if you know some speed maths, it would have been even more better. Because 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 in the numerator, na? 7 into 7, 49. 7 into 7, 49. So 49 into 49 means 49 square. 49 square. Yeah, there is a speed math technique or Vedic math trick to find 49 square faster. So that we will discuss on another class. If you know that speed matrix, it is super easy to find any square, not only 49, any square can be done super fast. Anyway, that will be 2401, 49 square. 2401 divided by 10,000, 0 added. So ये subtract किया तो आंसर मिलेगा, that is 10,000 minus 2,401. 10,000 minus 2,401 by 10,000. Mental math will help you to do subtraction also. In our course, there is separate lecture on speed maths also, where I will guide you how to do faster addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, squaring, percentage, fraction calculation, etc. Because that will help you a lot, because virtual calculator is not that easy to use. It is not that handy as your mobile phone or your normal calculator. You have to enter it through the mouse or keyboard. So in GATE exam also earlier that was a big challenge. CSIR didn't give virtual calculator earlier 1 or 2 years back. But this time everyone was given virtual calculator. Next time virtual calculator dega ya nahi, that also we don't know. If it is given or not, many questions, virtual calculator is time consuming. You can use the mind, that is the fastest calculator in my opinion. So 10,000 minus 2,401, that will be 7,600 approximately. Approximate is enough because look at the options. That is where the estimation techniques will help you. 7,600 by 10,000 means 0.76 approximately. 7599 to be precise, but approximation is enough. So 0.76 is enough. Closest to. सबको clear है ये? Please respond. Probability का पिछले क्वेश्चन थोड़ा इजी था, ये थोड़ा टाइम कंज्यूमिंग है, but this is very similar to previous questions we have discussed already. So then try this question, finding the question. So if you're understanding the concepts, please do hit the like button. That will help YouTube to recommend this video to more people, because that is how YouTube algorithm works. As I told, if you want to support this channel, do engage in the comment section and also through the like button and by subscribing the channel also. If you try it and mention the answer in the chat. Those of you are watching this as recording also, you can mention it in the comment section which question you have understood or got the answer, or maybe the answer of question also you can mention in the comment section. Thank you so much, Siddhartha. Thank you for the good words. Okay, due to lack of time, I'll start explaining. The question says a ball dropped from a height bounces back to half the height. This also, another little more difficult version of this was asked earlier in CSIR-NET exam itself. I'll explain. The ball is dropped from a height, bounces back to half the height. This question, if you want, you can take example method also, or directly doing also is fine. If the ball dropped from the height h, then after the third if the ball is dropped from the height h, then after the third bounce, up until it starts falling again, it would have covered a total distance of. Matlab, first bounce, h height say first bounce. This is h height. First bounce means like this. Half the distance, that means h by 2. Half the height. Again drop, again h by 2, bouncing again. h by 2 का आधा, h by 2 का आधा, h by 4. h by 4 होगा. Then next, again hitting ground. This is the third bounce. Up until it starts falling again means third bounce हो गया, उसके बाद falling करने के लिए first उसका आधा होना चाहिए ना, h by 4. Sorry, h by 4 का आधा, h by 8. h by 4 by 2. h by 8. Now, ये total distance कितना है? Adding all these, total distance कितना होगा? Let us list it out. ये h है, ये h by 2 है, again h by 2 है. So h plus h by 2 plus h by 2. This is h by 4, again h by 4. So h by 4 plus h by 4. Finally, 1 h by 8. Adding all this, you will get the answer faster. Yeah, you can smartly add this. This h by 2, h by 2, that is 1 h. h by 4, h by 4, half h. So 1 h, half h. That is 2.5 h. You are smartly doing it, that way you can do it faster. 2.5 h means 5 by 2 h. 2.5 means 5 by 2 ना. 2.5 कौन सा वैल्यू का आधा है? 5 का आधा है ना, मेंडल मैथ. तो 5 by 2 h plus h by 8. ये तो h by 8 को भी ऐसा इंक्लूड कर सकता है, but if you have doubt, it is better to simplify it mathematically. 8 is the LCM, so that will be 4 times, so 20h plus h, that is 21 by 8h. 21 by 8h, option B is the answer. Is it clear to all of you? 21 by 8h, option B. If so, try the next question. This is again similar to an idea we have discussed multiple times before. Digits and place value based question. Ashwini 2 times h by 2 because it came up and then again go down na. This h by 2 up, then h by 2 down. This and then down na. This is also h by 2, this is also h by 2. Same here, h by 4 up, h by 4 down. We need total distance na, not upward distance only or downward distance only. Clear? Again, if you are not directly able to do this 5 by 2h, take the LCM completely here and then add it. That is also fine. Try this, all of you. Okay, I'll explain. So, if ABC are decimal digits means digits in decimal number system. Don't think that decimal digits means it is decimal point. No. Decimal point is also part of decimal number system, or the way we represent decimal number system. So, decimal digits means 0 to 9, simply speaking. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, ABC are decimal digits, and ABC plus BCA plus EAB plus 6 times A plus B plus C is a perfect square. So, first ABC, एक decimal number system में ABC का meaning क्या है? 100A plus 10B plus C ना? A 3-digit number ABC can be understood as 100A plus 10B plus C according to the place value. Place value. So, this is 100A plus 10B plus C. And what is BCA? Similarly, 100B plus 10A plus C. Sorry, plus B. Similarly, sorry, BCA na 10C plus A. 10C plus A. Similarly, what is third? CAB? 100C plus 10A plus B. ये तीनों ऐड किया तो फर्स्ट ये तीनों ऐड करो, उसके बाद ये 6 टाइम्स A plus B plus C के बारे में डिस्कस करेगा, क्योंकि ये तीनों सिमिलर है ना. ये तीनों ऐड करना बहुत ही इजी है. लाइक टर्म्स को ऐड करिए. ये ए वाला टर्म, ये ए वाला टर्म, ये ए वाला टर्म. हाँ, मैंगोस के साथ ऐड कर सकता है. 1 mango and 2 coconut है तो you cannot say it is 3 mangoes. No. Similarly, A can be added to A only. A and B cannot be added. So 100A plus 10A plus A means 111A. Similarly, B, 100B, 10B and 1B. If you add these three, you can add those three like terms. That is 111B. Similarly, 1C, 10C, 100C. 111C also. उसके साथ 6 times A plus B plus C ऐड करना है. मतलब ये 111 कॉमन हो गया. 111 times A plus B plus C plus 6 times A plus B plus C. अभी A plus B plus C मैंगोस है तो 111 mango plus 6 mango, that is 117 mangoes. A plus B plus C. मतलब ये सम 117 times A plus B plus C है. 117 times A plus B plus C है. Question is asking what is A plus B plus C. Question is asking what is A plus B plus C. Now what is A plus B plus C? उसके लिए क्या information चाहिए? Perfect square है, ये information काफी है. ये परफेक्ट स्क्वायर होने के लिए मिनिमम क्या चाहिए? ये परफेक्ट स्क्वायर होने के लिए फर्स्ट 117 को प्राइम फैक्टराइज करिए. प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन पता है ना? फर्स्ट 3 से टेस्ट ऑफ डिविजिबिलिटी का फ्लैश कार्ड चेक करिए. टेस्ट ऑफ डिविजिबिलिटी वाला आइडिया रिमेंबर दैट. सो 39 by 3 अगेन 13 प्राइम नंबर है. सो दिस इज 3 into 3, दैट इज 3 square into 13 into a plus b plus c. अभी 3 square ऑलरेडी परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है. Perfect square into perfect square will be perfect square only, because a raised to m into b raised to m is a into b the whole raised to m. Loss of exponents वाला flash card check करें. So a plus b plus c 13 है तो 13 का स्क्वायर 3 स्क्वायर और 13 का स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 3 into 13 39 का स्क्वायर मिलेगा. क्वेश्चन सेटिस्फाइड होगा. Are you getting the point? तो a plus b plus c आंसर ऑप्शंस में 13 ऑलरेडी है. क्या आंसर ऑप्शन में 13 नहीं था तो मे बी यू हैव टू चेक वेदर एनी अदर पॉसिबिलिटी विल वर्क, because which number square it is not mentioned, but as 13 is already there, no second thought. A plus b plus c should be 13, so that 13 3 square into 13 into 13 मतलब क्या है? 3 square into 13 square मतलब 39 square perfect square हो गया. Question is satisfied, so option A का answer. Super easy ना? And as I told, this 111 times a plus b plus c, this was already asked in 2 different net exams before. So those of you who have practiced that questions before, when you see this abc plus bca plus cab itself directly without this step, you can write it as 111 times a plus b plus c. That will save a lot of time. That's why I'm saying please practice PYQs. And if you want me also to help you out to practice PYQs, you are welcome to be part of our complete course. Our complete course is started 1 day back. That's why I'm letting you know about that course in between, so that you don't miss the beginning of the course. You can start from the beginning itself and learn all topics properly. And demo videos chahiye to you can check out our mobile app and our website, Christy's classes. Try this, all of you. It's a ranking and ordering problem. Little time consuming question, but doable. I'll explain. Listen very carefully. It's a question from ranking and ordering chapter. Ranking and ordering, one basic information or basic idea you should have is total number of people will be left rank plus right rank minus 1. It is not left rank plus right rank. It is left rank plus right rank minus 1. For example, if this person's left rank is 4 and right rank is 8, total number of people are not 4 plus 8 12. It is 4 plus 8 minus 1 11. Again, how that is relevant in this question, when you listen to that, you will understand that concept also to an extent. In a row, C is positioned right in the middle of A and B. Right in the middle of A and B means A and B ऐसा है तो center में है C. That does not mean that there is no one between A and C or no one between B and C. Right in the middle, मतलब A to C distance, B to C distance same है. मतलब A and C के बीच में 4 people है तो B and C के बीच में भी 4. यहाँ पे 6 है तो यहाँ पे 6. That's a meaning. We don't know how much, but exact middle is known. Exact middle is known. So if I draw the diagram, A here, C here, B here, I can draw like this. A is at the 10th position from the left means to the left of A, 10 people are not there, only 9 people are there. Because A is the 10th from the left. So A के पहले 9 people है. A 10th person है. And B is 9th from the right means B के बाद, this is the right side ना. B के बाद 9 people नहीं है, सिर्फ 8 people है. Because 9th person B है. So B is, after B only 8 people are there. Now, this is a standard type of question asked from this chapter. A and B exchange their position. मतलब initially position ऐसा है, exchange करने के बाद क्या होगा? B will sit here and A will sit here. They are exchanging their positions like this. B will be still at the center of B and A itself. मतलब अभी B के पहले 9 people है और A के बाद 8 people है. That is the situation. Now A becomes 34th from the left. Now A becomes 34th from the left means now to the left of A 34 people are there. To the right of A 8 people are there, that we already know because earlier right of B 8 people था. B का position अभी A occupy किया, मतलब B के बाद 8 people था तो अभी A के बाद 8 people है. मतलब that will give you information total how many people are there in this row. How many people are there in this row? 34 people to the left of A, 8 people to the right of A. 34 plus 8 plus A is 1 person. 34 plus 8 plus 1, 43 people are there. All of you understand? Sorry, I made a mistake. 34th from the left means only 33 people are to the left. So 34 plus 8 plus 1 nahi, 33 plus 8 plus 1. So 42 will be the total number of people in this row. Yes, सबको clear है? 42 people in the row. ये idea clear है ना? So 42 people in the row, वो समझ में आया. अभी position of C find करना है. Position of C find करने के लिए, as I told in one of the previous question, कॉम्प्लीमेंट आइडिया यूज कर सकता है. कॉम्प्लीमेंट वाला आइडिया. ये टोटल 42 पीपल में ए के पहले 9 पीपल है, बी के बाद 8 पीपल है. अवॉइड दम. वी विल टेक ओनली दिस ए बी सी वाला सेट या ए सी बी वाला सेट. तो 9 and 8 people, 17 people कम किया तो 9 plus 8, 17 people. If you are removing, how many people are remaining? 25 people are remaining. 25 people में फर्स्ट पर्सन ए है, लास्ट पर्सन बी है. लास्ट पर्सन बी है और सी बी है. तो ए बी सी अवॉइड किया तो टोटल कितना पीपल है? बाकी 25 में से ए बी सी भी इंक्लूडेड है ना वो 25 पीपल में. In that 25 people, A, B, C are also included. So if you are removing A, B, C, 3 people removed, 22 people are there. 22 people are there. Are you understanding this properly? 22 people are there. Excluding A, B, C. Excluding A, B, C, 22 there. That 22 people between A and C and between B and C should be equally divided. Equally divided. Equally divided means here it should be 22 half 11 people. Here it should be 11 people. How many of you understood this properly? 11 people wala idea clear hai ya nahi? There is another approach also, but this may be even more easier to understand. That is what I am thinking. 25 people including ABC. So excluding ABC, 22 people. Question says that C is in the middle of A and B. So between A and C, 22 का आधा 11 people. After C or between B and C, 22 का आधा बाकी 11 people. So now this information is enough to complete the question. Position of C from the left, from the right, both we can find. From the left it will be this 9 plus 11 plus A. After that C is there. 9 plus 11, 20 plus 1, 20 plus 1, 21. 21 people before C. Before C, 21 people means 22nd from the left. 22nd is the position from the left. Luckily, there is an option 22nd from the left so that you can directly. What about from the right? From the right, 8 persons, 11 persons, 19 plus B, 10, 20. 20 people to the right of C means C is the 21st from the right. There is no option where right is mentioned 21st. 22nd, 23rd, वो दोनों गलत है. The option C is the only correct answer. Challenging question, but if you know the way of solving this kind of question, it is doable. Ranking and ordering we will be discussing as a separate lecture. This theory with very basic understanding, if you have, it is doable and solvable. Okay, go for a few more questions which can be solved faster. This is similar to previous question. If time allows, we'll come back to this. We'll go for as much variety questions as possible. This one, yes, this is a question that I have told even 1-2 days before the exam. Told that this is a expected question. Expected question. मतलब angle between hour hand and clock and hour hand and minute hand wala question. So that expected question came this time also. Yes, Rakhi, that's why I told you there are two approaches. You can do that way also. As it is the discussion of PYQs, I am limiting to one method. In our complete course, we will discuss about the multiple ways of thinking. Try it, all of you. Any answers? Okay, straightforward question. I have taught the formula before multiple times. I told you, if you know this formula, this kind of questions are super easy. There is logical way, but here, unlike other cases, here logical way is little more time consuming. Formula way is little more faster. In that cases only, I will suggest you to learn formula. If formulas learning is worth it, that for a good number of questions you can ask that idea directly. But for clock problem, I have told many times, I will say minimum number of formula to by heart, but this is one of those minimum formula. Half into modulus of 60h minus 11m, where h is number of hours, the hours, and m is minutes. So half into 60 into h value क्या है? 4 o'clock के बाद मतलब 4 something. So h value is 4 minus 11 into minute value 4 past 10 minutes past 4 means 4:10. So 4 o'clock hours, 10 minutes, minutes. So half into 60 into 4 minus 11 into 10. So half into 240 minus 110. That is half into modulus of 130. Modulus means negative number है तो वो negative का negative consider करके positive बनाना है. Positive है तो just take it as such. So half into 130, that is 65 degree. Super easy, straightforward question. This is the 4th time CSIR is asking straightforward itself the same type question. If time change karega, that's why I'm saying I am analyzing previous year question for the last 13 years of CSIR-NET. According to that, I am telling which is more important, which is less important. That's why I told you in the beginning. By being part of our course, I will tell you in minimum time how you can get maximum output for aptitude. Once again, welcoming all of you to the newly started course. So this question again, another question which is straightforward itself. Multiple times we have discussed this concept also, and the mental math behind this to solve also we have discussed it many times. Try this, all of you. Okay. So this question, some people at least make a mistake. I think some of you made the same mistake in the chat. No problem, I will explain. Sohan drinks 20% milk present in the bottle in one sip. So initially 1 liter means 1 liter is 1000 milliliter. So the logic that you may have used is 20% of 1000 is 200, na? So 200 3 times. So 200, 200, 200. 3 times means 600 gone. So 400. That is not the correct answer. This I have pointed out in many times in previous classes. The idea of successive discount or successive increase. यहाँ पे successive decrease है. Successive decrease या successive increase पे effective discount is not sum of discounts. In this question 20% what you did is 20% 20% तीनों ऐड करके 60% बना के 60% कम किया. That is what effectively happened. But that is wrong. Effective discount is not x plus y if x and y are the two discounts. Those of you are unfamiliar with the terms effective discount and all, forget it. You have heard about compound interest also, na? That idea also can be used here. But directly subtracting 20, 20, 20 is wrong. I will tell you logically why it is wrong. Let us bifurcate it one by one. Each step let us understand. Each step we will understand it separately. So first 20% I totally agree. 20% of 1000 क्या है? 10% 100, so 20% 200. So 200 कम करके 800 मिला. Now the bottle does not have 1000 milliliter. It only have 800 milliliter, na? Question says that 20% of the remaining is drank. Because now 1000 ml you cannot drink 20% of 1000. Because 1000 is not remaining there, na? Only 800 ka 20%. 800 ka 20% kya hai? I have taught you the mental math before. 10% of a number is shifting one decimal to the left. So 20% will be double of that. 1200 था तो 10% 120, so 20% 240. Here 1200 nahi 800 hai, so 800 ka 10% 80, so 20% will be 160, not 200, so 640. Now 640 ka 20% hai, 640 ka 10% 64, 64 double, 64 double 128, Mendel math. Yeah, these are the speed, one of the speed math I will be teaching you in our complete course. How to calculate percentage faster. It will help you immensely. Virtual calculator use करने से भी faster कर सकता है if you are using this idea. 640 minus 128 is 512, or exactly subtracting is not necessary. 500 above 450 below आंसर होना चाहिए ना. एक ही ऑप्शन है ऐसा 500 something वाला. That should be the answer. Super easy ना. Now if you don't want these three steps, this is the exact reverse of compound interest. In compound interest chapter I always tell successive discount का opposite है compound interest. Compound interest में successive increase है, तो यहाँ पे successive decrease है. But as I told, compound interest formula is not necessary, but I am telling you the concept is same itself. That's why I am saying you have to come out of the rote learning you did in school. In school you have by hearted this formula, and you know that that is only applicable when compound interest question says that typically let P be the principal that is given, or R is this, T is this, can you find the amount or can you find the interest. SNIE, in this question also you can use that. Your rate is negative rate, 20% is the rate at which you are increasing, negative 20%. Matlab if you want principal 1000 ml, here instead of money, the principal or the money or the milk that is there is 1000, so that is the principal. P into 1 plus R by 100 raised to time period, this is also fine, that is what I am saying. 1 plus rate क्या है 20%, but negative 20% है. 1 plus negative 20%, नहीं है तो 1 minus 20%. Raised to time period 3 बार है ना. हाँ, compound interest में we normally say years, but here years में नहीं, iterations के बारे में है, that is the time period. How many times? That is time. So 1000 into 1 minus 20 by 100, 80 by 100 raised to 3. तो simplify करके check करिए, same answer मिलेगा. Check it out. Calculator use करिए for the time sake. Are you understanding the point? These are some of the gaps we have in our school math learning. वो gaps के वजह से bigger problem आ रहा है actually. The bigger problem is because it is not about the things we learned, but how we learned it. We didn't learn it properly. That is why we have this problem. So ये 1000 cancel किया तो exactly 512 मिलेगा. Those of you feel this is faster, you can do this. Those of you feel this is faster, you can do this. Those of you want this separate effective discount formula, वो भी use कर सकता है. But directly subtracting 200, 200, 200 3 बार, no, question is not that simple. So for that, first normally I say about this percentage. All questions related to percentage, you can say that most of them or almost all of them are one of these cases. I am telling not only about percentage chapter, simple interest, compound interest is part of this, or profit percentage का formula, loss percentage का formula, discount percentage का formula, effective discount का formula, successive increase का formula, ये सब ये percentage cases में one of the cases है. So that is the main idea. If you understood that connection, it is super easy. Okay, we'll discuss that in a detailed lecture. So try the next question. Thank you so much, Noble Elements. Noble Elements channel is saying that I understood probability from your channel only. Thank you so much. As I told, those of you learned something or those of you got benefit from this channel, do support this channel. At least one comment from you also, that will be a big motivation for me to continue doing these free classes or scheduling these free classes in the future, and that will definitely help others also to know about this channel and join this channel and be part of this community. So try this question. Another sequential ordering, that is part of ranking and ordering chapter. Another question. This question paper had 3 questions from the chapter ranking and ordering alone. This is what CSIR does all the time. They will change, keep on changing from which chapter they will ask more questions. That is why I always tell, many people ask me, can you tell me the most important chapters? I will say, don't select chapters. Select questions in exam hall instead of selecting chapters while you prepare. While you prepare, practice all chapters or prepare all chapters so that you have more selection in exam hall. नहीं है तो if you select only few chapters and learn, the problem is sometimes questions will come, but the questions from that chapters is difficult and other chapters are easy. Or sometimes the chapter that you are skipping, from that they will ask more questions, like this ranking and ordering chapter this time, or probability also this time. Most papers are 2 questions from the probability chapter alone. The answer, simple question if you understood it correctly. Sequential ordering type question. Again, a particular multiple times we have taken free classes itself on the sequential ordering or ranking ordering chapter. There is a famous Bahubali question which I have taken always as an example. In previous years, CSIR have asked a Bahubali question of this type. Question if you understood it correctly. So, in a group of 6 persons of unequal height, so all 6 people have different heights. D is shorter than A and C. मतलब D A and C से छोटा है, but A C से छोटा है या C A से छोटा है, we don't know. So for the time sake, we are writing D below A and C. A and C में से कौन बड़ा है छोटा है, we don't know. But taller than E and F means D is taller than E and F. So E and F में से कौन छोटा है बड़ा है, we don't know. 2 persons are taller than B. 2 persons are taller than B means B cannot be below D. क्योंकि below D मतलब D, A and C. There are 3 people. 2 persons and taller than B means B should be 3rd position. Already A and C are above D. So D के below होना मतलब 4th position में हो जाएगा. That is why B should be here below A and C for sure. But again we don't know whether A above C or C above A. So 2 parallel reality, A C B, A B A C A B, A C B C A B, 2 possibilities है A C B के बारे में. And 1 person is shorter than E. 1 person only is shorter than E means that is F na, because D cannot be shorter than E. B, A, C are above D, so they cannot be shorter than E. Total 6 people only. So F is the only person that is remaining. So F should be shorter than E. F should be shorter than E. So this is the complete picture. Now ये picture में A and C का uncertainty है. वो uncertainty का वजह से मैं 2 parallel diagram draw कर सकता है. I always say ranking and ordering chapter में you have to be Loki in the multiverse. Those of you follow Marvel movies, Loki is actually what we can say the ruler of the multiverse. Na? So what I am saying is you have to think about all the parallel universes that exist. Here there is a parallel universe where A is above C, above B, above D, above E, above F. I mean this is one arrangement. A and C का comparison पता है नहीं है ना. So एक world में A C के above है. दूसरा world में, दूसरा parallel universe में C is above A. That is also possible ना. Because question only say D is shorter than A and C. A and C के बारे में कोई और comparison दिया नहीं है. So C above A, then B, D, E, F, B, D, E, F. So these 2 parallel realities are possible. ये 2 parallel realities check करके ही answer बता सकता है. If you only take one of the reality, you may get a wrong answer. Which of the following inferences is not necessarily valid means? Not necessarily means not always valid. Not always means sometimes valid नहीं. Sorry, sometimes valid ऑलवेज वैलिड वाला ऑप्शन नहीं चाहिए, समटाइम्स वैलिड वाला या समटाइम्स नॉट वैलिड वाला ऑप्शन चाहिए. A is tallest of all. Is it always true? A is tallest of all is true in this reality but not true in this reality. That is why not necessarily valid is option A. Because it can be or it cannot be. That means not necessary. No? Not necessary. Not necessary to be true. Are you getting the point? Other options check करिए, you will get more clarity. वो सब necessarily valid है या always valid है. Why? C is taller than B. दोनों reality में C above B है ना. C above B है दोनों parallel realities में. F is the shortest of all. दोनों parallel worlds में F is the shortest. B is taller than D. दोनों realities में B is above D. They are necessarily valid. Yeah, if you don't read a question properly also, if you don't see this word not, you may get a wrong answer. If you don't take these two reality, you only take this reality, you will get a wrong answer. So be very careful. Exam panic is a real thing. So how to manage exam stress or exam panic? In our course, we have a separate lecture on exam hacks. In exam hall, how you can do aptitude section better. We will be discussing in that separate lecture. So anyway, A is the tallest of all. Hope all of you understood. Another ranking and ordering. This time, as I told, this question paper, 3 ranking and ordering question. उसमें एक question थोड़ा time consuming या difficult था, but these 2 questions were super easy. Super easy. Same type का question previous years में भी आया था. So in this YouTube video, initially I planned 1 hour for each lecture, but 1 hour was not sufficient to do enough questions. That is why 1.5 hour, how many questions we can do, that is what we are discussing. More questions or all these questions, if you want, you can be part of our complete course where I will be discussing topic by topic itself, all questions. After teaching you the theory, then it will be even more easier to understand. So try this, all of you. Super easy question if you use the idea of elimination by analyzing option. Elimination by substitution time consuming. Elimination itself you can do in 5 ways. इसमें elimination by analyzing option is the best way. Instead of putting question into the option, put options into the question. Sorry, instead of putting options into the question, put question into the option. Quantitative aptitude chapter में elimination by substitution is more applicable. But reasoning chapter में elimination by analyzing options is even more faster. So timetable of a class with 5 periods is said that the 4th period is of a language. Let us check each option. 4th period here. This is 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. Malayalam is a language, Kannada is a language, Marathi is a language, Sanskrit is a language. Unfortunately, this sentence does not eliminate any option. That is okay. So let us check the next sentence. अगला सेंटेंस है. अगेन पूरा अरेंजमेंट बनाना टाइम कंज्यूमिंग है क्योंकि ये चारों ऑप्शन देखिए यहाँ पे मल्टीपल लैंग्वेजेस मल्टीपल सब्जेक्ट्स है. एक्चुअली इट इज नॉट 5 टोटल पीरियड्स और टोटल सब्जेक्ट्स. लैंग्वेज इटसेल्फ और science or other subjects also, it is not fixed actually. That is why elimination is the best way here. So mathematics is just before and before are different. Before means it can be anywhere left, but just before means they are neighbors. You arrange them, they should be neighbors. मतलब ऑप्शन ए देखिए मैथमेटिक्स एंड ज्योग्राफी नेबर्स नहीं है, ऑप्शन बी देखिए मैथमेटिक्स एंड ज्योग्राफी नेबर्स नहीं है, देयर इज एटलीस्ट वन सब्जेक्ट इन बिटवीन. So 2 options are eliminated directly. Super easy na. Now period of science is not the first or last. Option B में first था, that was already eliminated, that we don't want. But option D देखिए science last, that is also not acceptable. Not first, not last na. So option D is eliminated. So only remaining option is option C. That is the fastest way of doing this question. Super easy question. Even this was also a repetition of a practice question. I have made you practice before exam. There instead of 30, 60, 90, 80, that was some other number. Even in my book also, in my practice questions, the question was like Shamir Mahesh Sriram was running a race where one person is finishing in 12 minutes, another 15, completing in 12 minutes, 15 minutes, complete round. Likewise, there's a question. The same repetition I asked CSIR-NET to comment. So try this question, all of you. Once again, those of you want to join our course today, by till today midnight, you will be having the special discount code teacher25 as part of Teachers Day celebration. So you can use that to get access to the course at the minimum pricing. You can join the course later also, but this minimum pricing will be applicable as part of this discount, as part of this coupon code. So make use of that. Check the description for more information, or download our mobile application Christy's Classes, or visit our website christysclasses.in. If you have more doubts, check the right corner of the screen. You can see the contact number and details of our mobile app, Telegram channel, YouTube channel, etc. or other free resources. That also check the description of the video. There you can find our other free resources we provide. Okay, this question due to explaining. 4 clocks ring at different intervals, which are 30, 60, 80, 90 minutes. 30, 60, 80, 90 minutes. All of you tried, or if you want more time, maybe 30 seconds extra. Okay, try it. 30 seconds more. Try it, all of you, fast. Very simple question, just some basic arithmetic and unit conversion. That is enough to do this question. Okay, I'll start explaining. So the question says that 4 clocks ring at different time intervals, 30, 60, 80, 90. If they rang simultaneously at 10 a.m. So at 10 a.m. all the 4 clocks rang. मतलब first clock अभी कब again ring करेगा? 10:30. Then 11 o'clock. Then 11:30. Likewise. Second clock 10 o'clock ring किया तो 11 o'clock, because 60 minutes means 1 hour. 11, 12, 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m., 4 p.m. likewise. Then 80 minutes means 80, 160 likewise. मतलब multiples, the idea of multiples na. At 30, 60, 90, 120 minutes, etc. this will ring again. 60, 120, 180, 240, etc. this will ring again. 80, 160, 320, etc. this will ring again. Sorry, 240, 320, etc. this will ring again. 90, 180, 270, etc. this will ring again. Ring together means at a common multiple. The idea of least common multiple. Some of you, I know that, may have forgotten how to calculate least common multiple faster. This flashcard summarize it. Or in our course, in our complete course, from these basics onwards you will be starting. If you have forgotten how to calculate LCM and GCD, we will be teaching you that. And if you know that, but you don't know the shorter way of doing it, that also will be discussed. So anyway, I'm not discussing it now. Now I am just saying that iska common multiple, if you trial and error and find it also, 8 into 9, 72. So 720 will be the common multiple. 720. All the bells will ring at 720 together. उसके पहले एक भी multiple नहीं है, which is common to all four. Look at it. 120 is there for these two, but not for 80 and 90. All four should ring together, na? That will be after 720 what? 720 minutes. अभी 720 minutes को hours में convert करना है, because 10 AM के बाद कौन सा hour में repeat करेगा? As you know, 1 hour is 60 minutes, so 1 minute is 1 by 60 hours. So 720 by 60, it is 12 hours. मतलब 10 AM ring किया तो अभी 12 hour later it will again ring. 10 AM to 10 AM is 12 hours, na? So 10 AM next 12 hours means 10 PM. So option B is the answer. You understood the concept. It is super easy actually. I hope all of you understood this. Please respond. Today we have discussed a good number of questions. Hope all of you understood it. Remaining questions also we'll discuss on another session if possible, or in our complete course. Once again reminding all of you, 2 courses we are starting. From tomorrow onwards, GATE ka complete course, new batch we are starting. 8 PM is the timing of the live class. And yesterday we started CSIR-NET course, that is 10 AM. So most of you are preparing for CSIR and some of you are preparing for GATE also. So CSIR-NET course, currently the new batch or the batch for December exam have started. So more information I have explained in the beginning of the video. Those of you missed the beginning of the video, you can watch the recording and check it out. These are more information about it. It's a complete course. The title complete course means everything you need for General Aptitude section of CSIR-NET is there in this course. You don't have to depend on any other platform or any other thing if you are part of this. You can save a lot of time. That is the main thing. Literally in exam hall also you can save a lot of time. For preparation also you can save a lot of time, because I will be teaching you in a very unique fashion using 15 shortcut approaches of doing General Aptitude questions and using 100 flashcards which will make you understand concepts in minimum time. Whether you are a life science student or a life physical science student or a chemical science student or a mathematical science student or an earth science student, whatever be your mathematical background, with these live classes, recordings and study materials, you will be able to get complete learning of General Aptitude. If you want the brochure and more details, you can visit our Telegram channel. There I have uploaded all these details or the complete brochure also of this course. So there will be 66 live lectures, 100 hours content, and class notes, practice worksheets, online mock tests, video solutions of mock tests, etc. Demo videos or demo materials are available in our mobile app. Download our mobile app, visit our website to get more information. So as I told, everything you need for General Aptitude and the experience of 10 years of teaching General Aptitude for students like you, this course is made. Siddhartha combo price will be currently using this Teachers Day discount and other combo discount together, it will be 2,500 for NET and GATE. NET and GATE means it is not a single course, it is 2 separate courses itself. Separate timing, separate content, separate study material, separate classes, separate doubt clearing session, everything is separate. So 2 courses together you have to pay only 2,500. You can, one easy way to get that discount is you first join CSIR course. There you can find a coupon code for GATE course. That way you can get the bundle discount. We are planning to make a bundle, but the price will be same itself, but that will take time. So if you want to not miss any live class, I will suggest you can take CSIR subscription. Coupon code for GATE will be already there in that available there. That you can use for GATE, and that way you can get it total for 2,499 rupees, including all the content, all the classes. So that's it. The question. Very good, Rakhi, and all the best for your result also. So happy to know that you were able to solve good number of questions. And I remember you were attending most of my sessions before exam, na? Very good. So happy to see that you were able to do well in aptitude section. So that's it. This is a schedule of our complete course schedule. This course is designed for upcoming exam. So exam, whenever it is, the course will be completed before that. Now the schedule is December 15th. In case CSIR decides that exam will be conducted on December 1st week, we will reschedule that lecture so that your topics will be covered before that. But that will never happen. If exam happens either 3rd week of December or after December, because as you know, June exam got postponed by 1 month due to the election and all. Now CSIR also needs time to make the notification, the process of completion of cross-checking and all the things. It will take time, and the result also parallelly should come of the previous exam. So it will take time. So definitely this course, no worries that whether it will be completed before exam. This course is primarily for your upcoming exam, na? So it will be made sure that the course will be completed before your CSIR-NET exam. So once again telling, those of you want discount, maximum discount of this subscription, subscribe today itself using the coupon code teacher25. Check the description of the video for more information and more reviews of my previous students you can see here. So any other doubts on today's class or any other doubts about the course also, you can mention it in the chat. You can mention it in the comment section also. I will try to reply you. Yes, Raki, elimination method for the LCM question, that will also work. Maybe that will save a little more time. Very good. That approach is also totally correct. So that's it. If there is no other doubts, let's conclude. Those of you attended this session, do let me know your comments on this session and do share this video to maximum people. That is a gentle request to all of you. And tomorrow also, most probably 2 p.m. we are planning to schedule a session for physical science paper. Physical science and earth science at the same aptitude paper. So dono ka question same tha because it was in the same time slot. So that question paper set we will be discussing tomorrow. By that, all subject aptitude we are completing by tomorrow. Those of you missed the previous sessions, you can check out the channel for the previous sessions. And one more thing, those of you cannot attend the live class, the recorded version is also there, but the current recorded version is the last batch recording because the live class we started now only. So that is available at a very lesser price. That those of you want, you can check out. But live class, if you can attend, that is the best thing, because live class, that live experience and the routine that you are getting, that will help you to learn better and learn faster and keep motivated. That's the main thing. And other playlists in this channel also, please check out and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my upcoming classes. And GATE General Aptitude Complete Course, more information you can find here. So doubts regarding any course or joining course, you can contact us at this number 8075 116641. So thank you all of you. Take care all of you. Have a good day. See you all on the next class. Bye bye.